gracias y disfrute de su día aquí en Busch Gardens.
All right.
Please step into the coaster as quickly and safely as possible, pulling your harness down to your waist and buckling your safety belt.
Por favor, entre a la montaña rusa lo más rápido y precavido posible. Bajen sus barras de seguridad hasta su cintura y pónganse los cinturones de seguridad.
Please stand behind the white line. The gates are now closing.
Por favor, párense atrás de la línea blanca. Las puertas cerrarán en estos momentos.
Okay, platform. Platform clear. Dispatch.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. We're back on Shikra. Decided to sneak an extra ride on this, even though I have Iron Menace up north. I wanted to try with the superior restraint design. Really nice up here. Whoa. I wouldn't want to be The drop caught me by surprise. Wow. Whoa.
Oh God!
A little hard stop, but that was really good. I think this was a good decision for me to make.
As the coaster comes to a complete stop, unbuckle your safety belt, lift up on your safety harness, and watch your step as you exit to your left, taking all personal belongings with you. Thank you and enjoy your day here at Busch Gardens.